Hey guys, wanted to show you this new printer I got for Sublimation. I'm going to be starting that as well as using my Cricut. This is the Workforce WF-7710. And this is just like a regular printer with regular ink, but you can convert the ink to Sublimation ink. So that's what I'm going to be doing with this. It is wireless and you are able to load pretty big paper into it. I believe it goes up to 11 by 17. So much bigger than your typical 8.5 by 11. So I just opened up the printer. Here it is out of the box. It is way bigger than I ever expected it to be. Kind of compare by my hand. I thought it was just going to be like a regular printer that I use at home, or that I use at home for regular paper and things like that. But this is way bigger. It's an Epson, like I said. It is wireless, which is awesome. I'm going to have to find room on my little crafting table. This is my craft area. It's kind of a mess. Disorganized, but you know, that's what craft areas are for. Here's some stats on it. It does talk about the replacement ink and things like that, but since you are, or I am actually, turning this into a sublimation printer, I will not need these ink cartridges. You will need to order your own ink and cartridges online, and I can definitely link you to that in the comments box below. But yeah, I'm really excited to share my journey with this printer with you and all the things I plan to make.